Hello, and welcome to our project video for IT314 Software Engineering Project. We are Group 31, and our team has been working on an exciting new application that aims to solve some pressing problems faced by people in our college, that is, ordering food from canteen. So, we have made a canteen automation system. Moving on to the project description part. The project is a mobile application for ordering food from a canteen with features like a menu card, order tracking, and safe order takeaway. The app aims to simplify the order process for customers and improve efficiency for canteen. It uses Firebase for Firestore database and authentication. We made two applications. Yes, you heard it right. Two applications, Canteen Partner application and Canteen User application. For both of the operating systems that is majorly used by many of the users, Android and iOS. Now, let's move on to the objective of the project. In this part, we'll be talking about what big problem did we try to solve and how we did it. Here are some of the main objectives of our application or project. The canteen automation system is designed to automate and streamline the process of managing a canteen. The main objective is to provide a convenient and user-friendly platform for customers to place orders and a platform for canteen owners to manage orders. Using this app, users will be able to track status of their orders and will get real-time updates by the canteen management for their orders, thus reducing the waiting times in canteen. There are many cases where one person collects ordered food of another person in canteen. Using this app only, verified person will be able to collect this order, thus reducing errors of collecting food. We reduce long waiting time at the counter, we solve incorrect order retrieval, almost reduced to 0% because of the QR implementation that we have implemented in our application, both in the canteen management application and in the canteen user application. And we solve inefficient order processing in the peak hours because the users can order from their convenient place and take the food when they get to the canteen. Now, let's move on to the live demo of both of the applications and let's see how the application works. Now, at first glance, this might seem just like another boring piece of tech, but trust me when I say that it's anything but. This system is designed to streamline the entire process of ordering food and drinks in a canteen, and it does so with ease. Let me walk through how it works. First, you open the application, you click on this button to log in. Now, first of all, we do not have an account, so we'll create one. Now, we will enter the canteen's name. So this is the canteen owner application or canteen partner application. You can manage the canteen activities from this application only. Let's enter the name extra fast canteen. Canteen gmail.com. Let's enter the password. Canteen. Canteen. To confirm the password. Yes. Let's enter the phone number. We can enter only the phone number right now. And let's sign up. Okay, it's saying that we have to select an image for the canteen. It's obvious. Uh, let's see what do we have. Okay. We can add this image to our canteen. Let's sign up. As we can see, we are logged into our application. Now, for checking the login option, we will log out from here and log in again from the same account just to check if this function is working or not. Let's enter our password, fast canteen. Yes, let's sign in. It's checking the credentials, and yeah, we are logged into our system. Okay, as you can see, we are logged into our canteen management application. Now, let's open the canteen user application. We'll be running that on the iPhone 14 Pro Max emulator. Let's open the application. Okay, it is asking for login. We do not have an account. Let's create one account. Okay, let's enter the name. Okay, the email. gmail.com. So enter password. Password could be anything above the length of 6. So let's enter GAY, that is password. Let's confirm the password. Let's add an image. by clicking on this button. Okay, I can use this user image right now that we have. Okay, now it is all good to sign up. And as we can see, we are signed up and we can see the canteens that are available for us to order from. And the extra fast canteen that we just registered is showing up in the canteen screen. So let's log out from here and check the login functionality. Show .com, password is JYJY, and let's sign in. It's checking the credentials, and yes, it's working as well. Now, uh, let us add some item to the extra fast canteen. We can do that so by clicking this plus icon in the canteen management application. Okay, click on add new menu. Okay, so it is asking for a menu image. We'll select it from the gallery. Okay, so the category we are trying to build here is Farsan. So let's do this. The menu title is Farsan Fresh Gujarati Food. Let's add this to our menu. And as you can see in the home, the menu is prepared. Now let's add some items to the menu. Okay, it's asking for the image. Okay, let's add samosa to our menu. Title is samosa. Gujarati food, best for snacks, and price. Let's say it's samosa is 15 rupees. And we can add this to our menu, and this will be added to the fasan. As you can see, uh, in the fasan, samosa is added. Let's add another item really fast. It is jalebi. Jalebi. The price to 30 rupees and add it to the menu of the extra fast canteen. As you can see, there are two items added to the extra fast canteen. And now let's go to the extra fast canteen from the user application. And you can see we can add our farsan from here. We can order jalebi and samosa as well. Now let's add jalebi to the cart. Let's add three jalebis to the cart. To the cart, you can go back and add some samosas as well. You can add three samosas as well. Yes, why not? Now let's add this to the cart. As you can see, the cart is here showing up, and it is showing three samosas and three jalebis, just as we ordered from. And we can clear the cart from here and also check out from here. Okay, now let's see what the canteen side is. So the canteen side in the new orders menu, you can see if any new order has arrived. As of now, no one has ordered to this canteen. So let's do it, and we can see the updated screen from right after checking out. Okay, so the payment is of 135. We have not yet implemented a payment system because it was asking for PAN card and some other sensitive information, and it is in the future scope of the application if we go into production. Now let's click on place order, and the order should be seen here as it is placed. The canteen owner will receive the request for the order. Now the orders made by me will be seen in the my orders, and as you can see, it is of the status cooking. Now when the order has been prepared, the canteen partner application, in the canteen partner application we can press the cook button and the status will be changed. Okay, so now let's just assume that this has been cooked. Of course it is not, but okay, let me press cooked, and we could see here that the order has been prepared. The user will see that the three jalebis and samosas are prepared, so they can now go to the canteen and take it. Now, before going to the canteen, they have to before going to collect the food, they have to show the QR code that has been generated. This is for the safety feature, so that you do not take away someone else's order. Now, what will happen when we scan this QR is from this button over here in the application bar of the canteen management application. The order that you did will be shown, and the canteen owner will be able to verify that this is you who ordered three samosas and three jalebis. Of course, the emulators do not have the camera functionality, so I'll be moving on to the physical application of the canteen owner application to show you how it works. So now I'm on the physical mobile phone opening up the canteen manager portal. So now here we will log in into the canteen first, the fast canteen at gmail.com, the account that we created earlier. The password is fast canteen. Let's sign into it. It's checking the credentials. Okay, we are signed in. Now let's check the new orders. As we know, the user has ordered samosa and jalebi and it has been cooked, and the user is on his or her way to the canteen to collect the food. Now we will not give them the food without scanning a QR code that they will have to show from uh, their my order screen. Let me show you the process of it. The, as you can see, the QR code scanner has been opened. The user will open my orders. They will go to their order. They can see the order has been cooked. Now they will come to the canteen and they will show the QR to you. Now after they show the QR to you, you will scan the QR and the specific information from the QR will be retrieved and you will be shown with a new window that will contain the items ordered by them. Now, because of some errors of the screen recording in the local phone, the QR scanner was not working properly. So here is the video of it working from another phone. Now let me open the QR code scanner, and as we can see, the QR code was scanned and the food order was jalebi and samosa, both of them of three quantities. Now press OK and we can go back and we can deliver them the food, and then we can just press collected from here on, and the user will no longer have that on the my order screen. It will be in the history screen. As we can see, the history screen shows jalebi and samosa, both of them of three quantities, as you can see here in the history of orders. And in the history orders here, the samosa and jalebi is also showing up in the canteen manager portal. After completing the development work, we tried to get some feedback from various canteen owners, and they were really impressed with what we have done. As the canteen owner of the canteen number 3 said, they really liked the idea, and the science stars Ashok Bhai were really impressed with what we have made. Now, at last, we sincerely appreciate the opportunity to work on this project, and we want to express our gratitude to our Professor Saurabh Tiwari and Professor Manish Khare, for guiding us throughout this journey. It has been a challenging and rewarding experience for all of us, and we are proud of what we have achieved as a team. And we plan to further improve the application even after the project evaluation phase. We would also like to thank our TAs, the teaching assistants, for guiding us through this journey as well. We hope our users love our app when it's completed. Thank you for sticking with us till the end. Thank you.